Hey guys, welcome to Lavin Love. So today I'm going to show you a DIY gift card that you can make by yourself to gift your friends on this friendship day. So this is very easy to make. You don't need that much of stuffs and you'll feel more happy by doing this. So this is how the card looks. So for this you need some old wedding cards cut into this type of pieces. And some paper stripes. You mainly take red paper stripes and glue and decorative ribbons. It's optional. And satin ribbon and scissors, some decorative glitters, and finally the sketches. So firstly we have to make little hearts. So you have to fold the stripes as small as you can. So fold like so. With the help of scissors, cut it like I'm showing here. Since there is a multiple folds, I'm feeling little harder to cut the paper. So not an issue at all. So finally we would get these little hearts. Isn't it simple? So save it for later. So fold the cards into half. I'm folding it to half. So repeat the same process for all the cards. So take the first card and place the second card inside the first card and repeat the same process like so. So you have to stick it in this way. So let me show you. So just scribble the fabric glue or whatever glue you have. And place it over the first card. Make sure that you paste only one side. Like so. and repeat the same process for all the cards. So finally it would look something like this. So let me fold it and show. So this is how it looks after pasting all the cards. So you can decorate as you wish. I'm decorating with the little hearts and with that glitters. So after decorating, this would look something like this. I have added glitters, I have stuck some ribbon, a black ribbon, and I have tied a satin ribbon like so. And I have written some funny quotations like best friends forever. Yeah, like so. And let me open it and show it to you all guys. Happy Friendship Day. And I have placed a Copico chocolate here since I'm a coffee lover. You can stick any gifts, anything as you wish. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video. If so, give a big thumbs up and share it with your friends on this Friendship Day. And do comment below if you like this. And if you want more such videos, please do comment and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. If you missed my previous videos, just go check it. The link is in the description box. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.